Happy New Year 2026. Today is not just a new day. It is a new beginning, a clean page, a fresh start, a chance to rewrite my life. In the past, I survived. In 2026, I decide to live. This year, I choose peace over drama. I choose silence over arguments. I choose growth over comfort. I am done with fake people. Done with fake smiles. Done with people who only show up when it benefits them. I remove negative energy from my life. I remove double faces. I remove the need to explain myself to people who never wanted to understand me. I no longer chase approval. I no longer beg for validation. I no longer apologize for being myself. In 2026, I choose myself first. For too long, I put others before me. I listened to opinions that didn't pay my bills or build my future. I stayed quiet to keep peace, even when it hurt me. Not anymore. This year, I respect my own boundaries. I walk away from what drains me. I stay where I am valued. In 2026, I change my mindset. I stop thinking small. I stop doubting my ability. I stop telling myself I'm not ready. I understand something important now. I don't need to be perfect to start. I just need to start. I remind myself every morning, I am capable. I am learning. I am becoming stronger. I stop letting fear make decisions for me. I stop letting the past control my future. I stop replaying old mistakes in my head. The past is done. I release it. I move forward. In 2026, I change my habits. I wake up with intention, not excuses. I move my body, even when I feel tired. I work on my goals, even when motivation is gone. I understand now. Motivation is temporary. Discipline is everything. I don't wait to feel like it. I do what needs to be done. Small habits. Every day. No matter how I feel. I read more. I learn more. I waste less time scrolling and more time building. I choose progress over perfection. Consistency over intensity. Action over overthinking. In 2026, I raise my standards. I no longer accept less than I deserve. I no longer settle for average. I no longer stay comfortable while my dreams stay small. I say no without guilt. I protect my time. I protect my energy. Because I finally understand. My time is my life. I don't give everyone access to me anymore. Not everyone deserves my attention. Not everyone deserves my effort. In 2026, I work harder than ever. But I also work smarter. I focus on skills. I focus on growth. I focus on long-term results, not quick wins. I stop chasing shortcuts. I stop comparing my journey to others. I stay in my lane. I understand that success is quiet, lonely, uncomfortable, and I'm ready for that. There will be days I feel tired. Days I doubt myself. Days I want to quit. But this year, I make a promise. I will not quit on myself again. Even when progress is slow. Even when no one notices. Even when results take time. Because I know this. Every day I show up, I get closer. In 2026, I stop waiting for luck. I stop waiting for permission. I stop waiting for someone to save me. I save myself. I create my own opportunities. I build my own future. I take responsibility for my life. No more excuses. No more maybe next year. No more living the same year again and again. This year, I commit to growth. I commit to discipline. I commit to becoming the person my future needs. I don't need to announce my plans. I let my results speak. I will win this year. Not because life is easy, but because I refuse to give up. I will succeed this year, not by chance, but by consistency, focus, and courage. 2026 is not magic. I am. This is my year to rise. My year to change. My year to become. And this time, I mean it.